In this episode, I'm going to be organizing under the island and the coffee station. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, here are the cabinets I'm going to redecorate or organize rather. Is under the island here. Now under here is just some bowls and colanders here. When we first moved in, I was putting things in the spot because we were having visitors for the holidays, and Thanksgiving and Christmas came up on me so quick that I just had to put things somewhere. Okay, so under here, yeah, it's a mess. I have my cup towels, dish towels, and my large blenders under there. Some trays and things under there that need to come out. I'm going to bring in my small appliances, like I have my waffle maker here. Then over here I have a George Foreman grill. I have my rice steamer up here on the cabinet. I have this that dices potatoes. Let me make it a little bigger. It cuts up potatoes to make them french fries. I have a little pie maker down there. Over here I have a bullet here. And then down there is a juicer. I think I have two juicers. One a company sent me and one I already had, so I need to bring the other one in. And then I have my my slow cooker is in the pantry, along with another one of my items I want to bring out here. So I'm gonna bring my slow cooker in here, and then my Instapot needs to come in here as well. So let me get those items and bring them out here, and we can start organizing these cabinets.
I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now, show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. All of your love.
Here's the pie maker. It's like to make chicken pot pies and things like that. Berry cobblers. You can make the small individual cobblers in here as well. So that's why I like this. I have my large George Foreman grill. Okay, now everything has a place. We have my pressure cooker, my slow cooker, my George Foreman grill, my pie maker. Here I have my large blender, the small bullet. Back there I have my large juicer. I have my rice steamer, my waffle maker, and under there is my French fry cutter. Yeah, they're a little dusty because they've been in the garage forever, but they will be cleaned here soon. I'm happy I was able to get everything in here so it'll be easier to get the small appliances and use them, because I know my husband's always making smoothies, so that needs to be handy. And I'm getting ready to start another juicing regimen, so I have my juicer there. My steamer, rice steamer's there because he loves rice and it'll be easier. My waffle maker, I use that quite a lot. We make our own waffles. And then the fry thing, I haven't used that in a while because it was out in the garage. And my fry cutter there, I love it and I can't wait to use it. So all my appliances, small appliances, are in a designated area. I'm liking that. Okay, now we're going to tackle this cabinet here. Okay, next we have this mess. Now I need to move this can opener over here with the small appliances. Okay. Now here, let me get situated. That's where I keep all of my different color kitchen towels and mitts and everything. And I might add, I have a lot. But I need to make space for other things to go under here. So let me clean it out, then we will rearrange it. As you see, okay, here I have purple, blue lemons, black and white, gray, navy blue. I have a mint light green here. I have these flower ones, black, black and white, gray and white, and this bean. I tried to keep separate colored beans to keep things a little organized in here. But like I said, when I first moved in, it was just putting everything somewhere for it to go at that moment. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, these used to go on my husband's lunch. I would put mayonnaise and whatever in here to put on his sandwiches. Then I have this avocado thing. I ordered these off of Amazon thinking they would work to store my avocados. I have one for tomatoes, one for onions. I didn't like the way they did. I'm going to figure out what to do with them. Okay. Now I have these little ice cream things because when the grandkids are here, we make popsicles with fruit juice. They enjoy that. Well, right here are where the big glass Pyrex pans go. They have lids to them. They're in the dishwasher. Everything you see right here on the bottom is something we use on a daily basis, so I want to make sure it was handy to get to. Now I need to get the bins I want to get to go up top to hold the plastic containers. I'm going to put them in some bins. I kept all my cup towels and things over here that push back in the corner, but I'm trying to make room for everything to have a place. So if you give me a minute, I will show you how everything looks. Okay, when you open it up, you see all my small appliances here on the bottom. Easy to get to, easy to put on the island and cook with. Then over here, I put the everyday things here. And then I left my dish towels and things there. Got to get that bin for the top shelf, but otherwise everything is in its place. So I think I did a pretty good job organizing under the cabinets today. So let me know down below what you think. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link down below, and you'll be blessed.